Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interviews. In this video, we'll be solving 309 best time to buy and sell stock with cooldown. We are given an array of prices where prices at I is the price of a given stock on the ith day, and we have to find the maximum profit that we can achieve here. There are a following restriction. After you sell a stock, you cannot buy this stock at the very next day. So there is a cooldown period once you sell the stock. There is also a restriction where you have to buy a stock, then you have to sell it. You can't really just sell the stock. If we see this example here, so the explanation that they have is firstly we buy with 1 and then we sell it for 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And then third day we take a cooldown. So this is a cooldown. 0, we do nothing. And then we buy at 0 and sell at 2. So that will be 1 plus 2 and this will be our 3. And this is what we'll be returning. This may look like a very complex problem because there are so many decisions to make: buy, sell, cooldown, etc. Once we see how the decision tree looks, we can literally solve this in O of n time. So now let's take this example. Here we are at 0 and here we have two choices, either to buy or cool down, because we can't sell if we don't have anything. When we buy, our result is -1 and cool down means 0. Now here again we have got two options, either to sell or cool down. So if we sell at this 2. -1 plus 2 is +1 and here is -1. So now we are at +1. Either we can choose to buy or we can choose to cool down. If we cool down, it's +1, or this is -2 because +1 minus 3 is -2. Here we again got two options, either to buy or cool down. So if we buy, it's still +1 and here also it's +1, but then here we can sell and this will be +3 and here this will be +1. So now if you see this and all of the end nodes from here, the maximum of this is what we will be returning. But there is one problem, and that is the height of this tree. And due to the height, the time complexity for this approach, since at every node we are going to make two decisions and that will be making n times, so this will be 2 raised to the power n. But we can easily optimize this by caching our results, and with caching we can move from 2 raised to the power n to linear time. Since our buy and sell is a boolean flag, so we can cache our I and this buy or sell, and this I can go up until n, and this boolean flag is a constant. N into a constant will be n, so the final time complexity will be big O of n. Now let me show you how we can solve this. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I post these videos daily, and thank you so much for watching.